Senate Bill 1169. Imagine this. Imagine three fast-growing towns share the same aging water system. Pipes are breaking, bills are rising, and nobody can agree on who should pay for upgrades. So they form one regional agency to run the whole system and borrow money to fix it. What the bill says it does? Senate Bill 1169 says it is making it easier for local governments to work together on water and sewer service through a joint public utility agency, and making the rules clearer for how those agencies operate. What it actually does? This means regional water agencies can more easily borrow money, buy or take over existing systems, and sign contracts to build and run infrastructure, while local communities may have less flexibility once long-term debt is issued. It also means customers can appeal rates to the Public Utility Commission, but in those appeals the state expects rates to be set high enough to cover the agency's debts, even if that creates affordability pressure. It means member cities or districts can leave, but they still have to carry their share of the agency's debt, which can lock smaller communities into obligations they cannot easily escape. Who benefits? Regional public utility agencies, lenders and bondholders who want strong repayment protections, contractors and private operators who may win long-term projects and service contracts, fast-growing areas that need big water infrastructure quickly. Who pays the price? Everyday ratepayers, especially in lower income areas, if rates rise to cover debt. Smaller cities or districts that may feel locked in once they join. Communities that want more local control over long-term water decisions. Why it matters. Water is not optional. When debt-backed projects come first, the bills still land on working families. If local control shrinks and financial obligations become the top priority, regular Texans can end up paying more while having less say in how decisions are made. This bill can speed up infrastructure, but it also builds a system where long-term debt commitments can outlast local leadership and local consent. Bottom line, Senate Bill 1169 makes regional water agencies stronger and easier to finance, but it can also lock Texans into higher bills and weaker local control once long-term debt is on the books.